All right. Welcome back, honey dolls and gents. And we're getting ready for the holidays. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Okay. Honey dolls and gents, today we are doing another alopecia hair transformation. All right, honey, we're here to make some of our alopecia queens look and feel amazing. We're here to bring sexy back, okay? Bringing sexy back for year 2024. All right. So now we are going to be adding in. We're going to be threading her hair and braiding it, cornrowing. I like this method because it does not put a lot of tension on the scalp. And again, if you guys want to learn, find out more, make sure to contact us to find out more about our hair replacement alopecia courses that we have, that we offer, and also if you're interested in purchasing some of our medical cranial prosthetic units. Also, we accept insurance. All right. All right. So now we are doing the bald cap method. And honey dolls and gents, my client is almost ready. Job, we got to put on this glue. Baby, we need the glue, boo. We need the glue. So we're going to outline this whole entire perimeter. I've been doing this for a while, so it kind of comes easy for me. But pretty much I try to just make sure there's no hair underneath before you putting all this tape and glue on, child, or that client is going to be pained and mad at you. Okay, they're not going to come back. Okay. Now we are adding on this Saharan Desert Raw Cambodian Custom Unit. Okay. And this is a hair system. I love these pieces because they are very versatile. And even though we didn't do a bunch of customizing at the back of her neck, she did not want to add on that additional service. But the weave doctor did make her, we did a lot of customizing or minimal customizing for the front. Child, look at this Wakanda hair. Child, this hair done came from South Africa somewhere. Okay. All right. Now the weave doctor got to go to work. Okay. Now we have pressed out this hair and look at this beautiful fullness. Oh my gosh. And make sure to inbox the weave doctor. You want to find out more how to get these custom filter tips. Now we are trying to line up the hair. And it's just amazing. This type of raw, authentic Cambodian hair, it has a low luster, a medium to low luster type of texture to it and a sheen. And so the hair looks extremely natural for those who wear this hair, especially if you get the pattern that has a little bit more wave to it. And so now we're just going through everything. And hold up. Are you guys ready? Caught up. Girl, what lace? Don't be playing with the weave doctor. Okay, the weave doctor come to play. So my client will be able to wear her hair in a high ponytail with this unit. Again, we didn't do a lot of customizing the back. We can thin out the back according to the client's preference. And baby, look at that scalp. Child, this is Cascalpiana, okay? Cascalpiana, look at that scalp. And we're going to show you some more pictures of what it looks like. OMG. Y'all better stop playing with me, child. This must be an AI scalp right there. Okay, boo-boo. Boo-boo. So, now we have started, child, we already done cut her hair. Now we're going to use our fabulous T3s. Child, we thought had to buy her some new curling irons. New curling irons, even though they be trying to go out on me every couple of months. But let's pray that these curling irons do right. Let's pray I don't be dropping them while I'm at work. And also, I registered my warranty this time. So the T3s, they do come with a 1-year warranty. You just have to take some initiative and, follow the steps that they have told you if you want to get your full complete value out of these very luxury curling irons. Okay. And typically, I think they have a trio where it's like $300 or something like that. All right. So now we cooling off the curls, and this is the T3 cooling blow dry. This is a very mild one. So if you're looking for extreme heat, you might want to go, I think it's Baby Bliss or other brands. All right, honey dolls and gents. So now we are combing out this Cambodian hair. We got to fluff it and tough it. Got to make my client feel and look like Michelle Obama. Okay. Child, we trying to be giving luxury and Michelle Obama. Classy. Not showing all that trashy. Okay. So now we're just combing out the curls, honey. This is something that you have to do. And this, even though the weed doctor been fighting this, but this is a new trend nowadays. I know growing up, a lot of times, a lot of hairdressers try to keep as much curl in your hair unless you was getting a roller set. Even if some roller sets, they was trying not to comb out all the curls. So, child, it's something how the times have changed and some of the hairstyles. So now we are combing out the oh, girl, y'all better stop playing with the weed doctor. The weed doctor didn't come to play. The weed doctor came to slide. My client has her cranial prosthesis, and now we are currently offering free wigs for veterans. Make sure to find out how to do that, baby. Look at that scalp. What legs? What legs? Child, I don't even know. I forgot I even put it on there. Okay, child, I got amnesia. It done looked it so natural to the weave doctor. Okay. Child, that's how you got to size yourself up every now and then. Boo boo. Boop boop. All right. We're gonna see you guys next time. Mwah, mwah.